Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in New Hampshire. So the first thing you want to do is just when you're going to be on this video, scroll down below and click on the link in the description. In that way you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that will help to start your own LLC, and I always say that you should focus on making the money, running the business, providing value to people, and not actually taking care of like accounting, administration, and how to start the business maybe in the beginning. But you want to outsource as much as possible, and even when you're going to invest money, only because then you can actually have a time and you can focus your attention elsewhere. So here you want to click on Inkfile, start my business. When you're going to do it, you're going to have the LLC here and state of formation New Hampshire. Okay, and then you get 3 packages here: silver, gold, and platinum. My recommendation is going with the gold version, because with the silver you're gonna have the basics: free registered agent service, unlimited name searches, alright, preparing, filling the articles of organization. But with the gold version you're gonna have the business tax number, IRS form, business tax consultation, unlimited phone and email support. And then with the platinum version you're gonna have 3 bonuses, and that's a business contract template. If you need, let's say, terms of service, employee some templates, also privacy policy, or you can go get also the expedited filling here. That means that your LLC would be filled faster, and then you will get domain name and business email. So if you want, you can go with the platinum too. I will choose the gold version here, and then I will go with the first name, last name, email, and then I'm going to simply add a phone number. Okay, street address, city, and then state, New Hampshire. Okay, and zip code. And then when you got it, click next. Now here I will confirm the address. And when I got it, you see that you're going to have the state filling tab. You can simply choose the 15 business days or 8 weeks. So you can go with the 15 business days. That's like completely up to you. How fast you need to have your LLC. And then you're going to choose the LLC name. This is the name of the company. You can have it as a, let's say, bakery with Jessica, or marketing with Marcus. I'm going to name it Sunwe. That's the name of my LLC. And then designator LLC, and number of members, owners, I'm going with 1. Then I'm going to have the business purpose here, and let's say it's going to be marketing service for small business owners. And then you need to have a keyword. And let's say this is really important to have the right keyword here and the most close to your business. Let's say I'm going to have the marketing consulting services. And then company address information here. And then when I got it, I'm going to press next. Then you're going to have the premium service package. And you see that for $100, $99, you're going to have the business contract templates if you want to upgrade. And if you need some of these, you can choose it. And also the domain name, business email address. If you don't want it, click here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade bonus. Of course, if you didn't choose the faster filling for your LLC, then you would find also the LLC option here. And it would cost $50 more. Then I will go further, get upgrade and bonus, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. And now you're going to have option. If you're representing a company, click here company, and you have to fill everything. But if you're individual, just choose the first name, address, and then you're going to have the percentage of ownership, and then press next. When you're going to be further, you're going to find the registered agent information here. So you can easily assign Inkfile as my registered agent for free for 1 year. Or you can act as your own registered agent. So you get these 2 options here. And this is something that you can do. And I always recommend like having a registered agent with Incfile. You got it for free for the first year, and they're going to take a lot of administration from your shoulders. And when you got it, click next again. Now here you're gonna have the tax identification number information here. So you would just add a name again here and then SSN number. And when you have it, you're gonna have the physical street address. And then click next. And here you're gonna have the setting up small business banking. So you have options for Bank of America to contact you so you can start your own bank account, or you can go further and click no, not at this time. Click next again. And then you see the tax strategy free consultation, what you learn, how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit. This is something that I highly recommend for you to have, the tax strategy free consultation. And then click next again. Like they will contact you after you're gonna fill the order. Then you see we identify 2 licenses for your consulting business in New Hampshire. So yes, this is something I definitely recommend again, that yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. So this is a huge thing here because again, it's going to save you money in the long term because you can actually focus on generating revenue and creating website, etc. and not trying to do everything by yourself. So yes, identify all licenses I need. And when you're gonna fill it out, then we're gonna have further to next. And then you see the review order for a company. So when you have it this here also, the company information, member information, and tax info, click next again. And then you see the billing. This is the last step that you're gonna have and see. And you're gonna fill the street address here, the card number and everything. And this is pretty much it, how you can start your own LLC in New Hampshire. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Also, if you want to have options how you can start your company, you're gonna have the customer support here, the number that you can call. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day. And that's pretty much it how you do it.